Hi everyone, my name is Jazmine Lambarca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing. I will be unboxing my new order from DeMellier. It's the first time that I ordered from them and I have been waiting for a while. And my order actually was put in August 27th. I received it yesterday. So yeah, it's pretty much like a month. So there's two bags in here that I want to show you, that I want to unbox. I thought about unboxing it on my own and not on a video, but I just wanted to do like a first impressions from a brand that I've never ordered before. And DeMellier is very popular right now. A lot of people are buying it, styling them, and I just love all these bags. So I picked my top two favorites. Which I will explain a little later. Also, I've been seeing their ads everywhere, like every day on my Instagram, and they are quite effective. So good job to DeMellier, because those ads are very persistent, which they worked really well. And the way that they style them on the ads, they look incredible, these bags. And also, before purchasing these bags, I looked at several different YouTube videos. I love watching unboxing videos or reviews of a bag on YouTube. There's just so many videos, and I specifically wanted these two bags, which I will tell you in a minute. So, interesting fact, the owner of this brand is a woman, and also she's from Spain, which is great. I thought that was really interesting, and she moved to London, which I just find like really cool. Okay, so this box is definitely huge. I'm going to now unbox it. That's really cool, this message. So here are the bags. So the bags came in the box and in this shopping bag, and also this other bag. So I think that first I will open the small one. This is the reason why, this bag is the reason why my order was held up like for 2 weeks, because they had to manufacture this bag specifically. And instantly when I saw this bag, I knew I wanted it in this particular color. I like also the little bow material for the strap on this little dust bag. That is really cute. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, I didn't know there was an extra pocket on the back. Totally missed that. Oh my gosh, look at it. So this is the Paris bag. And you know how suede is very in right now. And I couldn't wait to get this one. So this is the bag that literally, and this other one triggered me to actually go ahead and buy it. So I did have to wait for it to be ready to ship. I figured out how to open this. So you just push this little square down and then it opens. So, oh my gosh, look at how nicely wrapped this is. This is really precious, you guys. This is really, really nice. There's tons of space. So there's two pockets right there. There's some cards in here, and the leather feels really soft and really nice. There's a card. It says, "Thank you for choosing DeMellier." And then there's a lot of information about the brand. And yeah, I guess this is just like the purchase card. Yeah, it's really, really nice, really soft. I love the leather, love the suede. It also says DeMellier right there. I love that this pocket here is not a zipper pocket. I like that actually, because we're all in a rush and we all need to get our stuff quickly outside of the bag, you guys. Also, I need to remove the little plastic later, but I just wanted to try it out, see how it looks. All right, so this bag brings a pretty long leather strap, and you can wear it like this. But I actually did not order it to wear it like that. I'll just wear it like that whenever I'm feeling tired or whatever, but I specifically want to wear it like this as a shoulder bag, obviously. because that looks cuter, that looks more in fashion, and that's what I want to do. And I actually specifically asked the brand on Instagram. I DM'd them and I asked them about that specifically because I just wanted to use it as a shoulder bag. And to my surprise, they actually replied and they did answer me. And that is just so nice of them. Like, I feel like with all the emails going back and forth between DeMellier and myself, their customer service is just top notch. So customer service, I give them 10 out of 10. Granted, keep in mind, I am an auditor full-time and a supplier quality engineer. So this is my full-time job, like analyzing businesses and how they're doing and whatever. So the thing is that I was just very, very impressed as a first-time buyer, first-time customer. So you get that excellent service without having to be like on their top, you know, 10% list pretty much of top clients. So that was really, really impressive to me because I kind of like missed that type of service, like excellence. That was just so refreshing. Anyway, so I am able to even adjust it even further because it has 3 different holes, so to make it a lot smaller. So this can even be like taller up to here maybe, but I definitely appreciate that this can fit anybody's arm, no matter what size you are. It will be fine. Also, no matter what you're wearing, because you know this is a thin sweater, but what if I'm wearing my winter puffer coat? You know, that is going to be like that. Also, I appreciate that the strap is leather because during winter here it gets like insane. It gets like -10 degrees really quick and the chains just get so cold and I just don't want to touch them. Yes, I can use gloves, but sometimes I forget them. That's not the point. Also, sometimes I wear stuff that exposes my skin a little bit, so I don't want any cold metal chain touching my body at all. So I definitely appreciate that. I feel like this is an excellent purchase. And this is like my first official brown bag. I know I have LVs, I have 2 of them, but this is like legit, like first time buying, and I feel like an adult brown bag. And I just feel happy to do this transition. Like, my style is evolving. I'm sure yours is as well as we age, and I just feel like we're going to this direction in fashion where a lot of people would want more understated pieces, like no logos type of bags for our day-to-day lives. So this is just an amazing purchase and I'm so happy I got it. All right, so now we're going to open this bag. I'm very excited for this bag. This bag seems like it's for like more day-to-day. I love this. So I actually wanted this bag as well for the longest time. So this is the New York bag. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear this. This is crazy. So I was in between the meaty bag and this bag, but definitely I just went with this bag. So the meaty bag is just super tiny, and it just, I think it would look awkward even if you wear like this, like day to day. I just don't know. I feel like this is more effective for me, more logical, especially traveling. I can just carry my tote like this and I can just put a bunch of stuff in here. I think that this is just incredible. I'm really excited. Also, I debated forever for the color. So I was in between this one. I also like the brown tote bag. And I also liked the mini bag because it comes in brown suede. But the brown suede doesn't come in this big version. But then I just decided on black because it's just like very New York. You know, a bunch of people in New York just love their blacks, and I just feel like this is a great neutral. It would last forever because I was afraid to just be like on a brown phase because it's on trend and then not use it again. So I just wanted to make sure I'm going to use this tote. And I don't really have a black tote. So this is my first black tote ever. I do have an LV tote, which is, you know, with the monogram. I do have like a blue one. I have several different colors, but black, this is just the first, and really nice. So this is called the New Yorker. It comes with the two same cards, and it does have a zipper pocket right here, which I'm going to put this in here. It brings all these buttons so you can adjust, and I have to remove this plastic. It does not come with a strap that I know of. I have to look at the bag further. So this does not come with a strap. I did look in the bag and it doesn't really come with one to my knowledge, but it makes sense. I'm not gonna use the strap anyway. But yeah, I feel like this looks amazing, like so stylish. Very New Yorker. I definitely am going to New York soon, but I don't know how soon. I don't know if it will be before my wedding or after. We'll see. So, but if I go, I'm definitely gonna take this one. I just really love these bags. So I just feel like these bags are a lot more reserved, and I'm just taking my taste and my fashion sense to the next level as I keep evolving, and I just highly recommend this brand. So there is a shift right now in society where a lot of people are just wanting to buy bags that are not super excessively expensive, like Chanel for example, and going for a lot more quality bags, more day-to-day bags, which is just amazing. It makes sense. A lot of us are not just going out like before anymore, so we have a lot less events, and I just love these bags. My entire experience at DeMellier has been excellent and amazing. There's a couple of things. So this bag, I had to wait for it to come out of production. So even though I placed the order with these two on the same transaction, I had to wait for this bag to ship. I just want you to know that. I also want to tell you that I did not select to personalize these bags. I don't know, I just didn't feel like it, so that's why I didn't. But yeah, that's all for my video today. Thank you for watching. I will make more videos just styling these bags and how I mix it up with my wardrobe. And also I want to talk about the performance of the bags later in a later video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.